National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hidalgo County and deep South Texas. This includes the cities of Weslaco, San Juan, Mercedes, Donna, Alamo, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists indicated that up to 3 inches of rain has fallen since 2 p.m. in an area from near far to the southern side of Mercedes. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Other locations that will experience flooding include LLA and Ogrand, Midway Salt, North Alamo, Progreso, Scissors, South Alamo, Villa Verde, and Highway 77. Excessive runoff will cause flooding of low-lying areas and intersections. Poor drainage areas are most at risk. Do not drive through flooded roads. Don't become a statistic. Turn around, don't drown.
At 12. This was just a moment ago.